Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So we can check the serial number by using two different ways. We can either use a secret code or we can enter the settings. Of course, I'll show you both, and let's start with a code. To open proper information, we have to enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number. So let's confirm it and go to the settings, then scroll down and enter about phone. And right here we have to find it. So the serial number will be in the model. As you can see, you will have to find the model, and the serial number is on the second position. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.